Individuals needing to put resources into digital currencies could think purchasing a coin requires large chunk of change. The high worth of coins like Bitcoin and Ether could make it incomprehensible for new amateurs to purchase crypto coins. By the by, there are different coins that you can find at a worth of under $1. However, these coins could have an ostensible worth. They may be worth very much more later on. Not at all like Bitcoin and Ether, you can purchase these coins in enormous amounts. In this way, even a little change in the cost can assist you with getting an ideal profit from your speculation. In 2020, the DeFi token, AMP, is supposed to essentially affect the worldwide economy, in addition to the fact that it is a computerized token. Yet it likewise goes about as an installment passage for clients on the Flexa organization. Dissimilar to other cryptographic forms of money, it is viewed as a class separated because of its starting point and execution. One crypto coin that has grabbed financial backers' eye is AMP. Albeit the AMP coin experienced high points and low points in the earlier years, yet has assisted financial backers with getting a 16% return on initial capital investment up till now. We should plunge into the coin's outline to see more about it. AMP is a sort of digital money with unexpected usefulness in comparison to different coins on the lookout. It goes about as insurance, and the Flexa organization involves the digital currency for its help. The coin can prove to be useful to cover the monetary exchanges that can turn out badly. AMP works together with other specialist co-ops like CoinGecko, Sushi, Gemini, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. At first, the improvement group of Flexa organization chose to send off a token called FlexaCoin. However, it went to deliver the AMP coin in 2020 as a few specialized issues were coming in the method of FlexaCoin's send-off. On January 7, 2022, AMP was recorded on Bitstamp. It opened up on Vault, a monetary administration stage that permits clients to exchange, get, and save utilizing digital currencies. Sadly, the organization's supervisory crew experienced monetary difficulties. AMP Value Forecast 2023. The different cost forecast devices show that the typical exchanging cost will remain around the 2 cents mark in 2023. According to our examination, the typical exchanging cost of the AMP coin will probably be between 1 cent to 1 cent. In the event that the market opinions are positive, the AMP coin's cost can go as high as 1 cent. On the other side, on the off chance that the market keeps on remaining negative, the least cost of the coin can slip to 1 cent. 2023 may be a decent year for the crypto market as we hope to see a few standards and guidelines for digital currencies. New guidelines will give a lot more secure biological system to individuals hoping to enter the crypto market, alongside different advantages. Above all, it will likewise decrease the unpredictability on the lookout. Be that as it may, these things are still a work in progress and could happen sometime. In this way, for the time being, the unpredictability will keep on remaining in the crypto markets. Financial backers ought to zero in on exploring more about AMP coin and the market patterns to figure out the effect on its cost. AMP Value Expectation 2024. The first and second quarters of 2024 will choose where the cost will arrive at before the year's over. Specialists have an inspirational perspective for the AMP coin's cost as the cryptographic money reception rate increment. In any case, individuals needing to put resources into AMP ought to likewise watch out for the steadily changing crypto market elements. Since there are no proportions or execution measurements, the most ideal way to decide the conceivable coin cost is by watching the economic situation. The quick and dependable nature of the AMP environment is supposed to assist it with acquiring a lot of significant worth. This could permit it to acquire a cost of 11 cents per coin. Assuming the interest for utilitarian digital currencies keeps on rising, the cost of AMP may likewise go up. As per the organization's cost expectation for 2023, creating a gain from putting resources into the cryptocurrency is conceivable. AMP Value Forecast 2025. In the event that digital forms of money become a critical piece of the monetary framework, it will assist the AMP with begettings worth to increment in 2025. Many organizations have a guide to acknowledge crypto coins as a method of installment for their labor and products. Additionally, the job of the metaverse and computerized resources will likewise influence the crypto market. There are different hypotheses about the eventual fate of AMP, albeit the mechanical progressions that the organization has been working on are supposed to emphatically affect digital currency. It's as yet conceivable to foresee that it will reach 14 cents. The fundamental factors that have added to the cost of AMP are its adaptability and security highlights. The group behind AMP has made a remarkable and strong framework that is equipped for taking care of various kinds of exchanges. Over the course of the following 2 or 3 years, the cryptographic money is supposed to acquire a lot of significant worth and arrive at a greatest cost of 17 cents in 2025. We saw a blast in the costs of different digital currencies, including AMP, because of the great notoriety of NFTs. Clients can buy these advanced resources through digital currencies. Assuming that more developments like these come up by 2025, there is plausible that crypto coins like the AMP can see a huge expansion in their worth. AMP Long Haul Conjecture 2030. At the point when we discuss AMP coins' drawn-out conjecture for 2030, financial backers should comprehend that it's trying to foresee an exact cost estimate. The crypto market has a rundown of unstable elements that can influence the coin's worth, and thusly, the cost really relies on how these variables will turn out in 2030. By and by, we have dissected the cost forecasts from different artificial intelligence-controlled instruments. The market is supposed to turn great in the following 2 or 3 years, and it's feasible to anticipate that the cost of AMP will increment fundamentally. This will permit the digital currency to break all hindrances and arrive at another high. AMP can be remembered for a financial backer's portfolio because of its anticipated cost increment. The cryptographic money's powerful, brilliant agreements are likewise expected to assist it with acquiring a lot of significant worth. It's feasible to expect its cost to reach 19 cents toward the finish of 2026. Rather than zeroing in on the transient venture, specialists in the field of cryptographic money like to zero in on the drawn-out objectives. With a touch of persistence and a serious level of confidence, financial backers can expect a circle back in the drawn-out worth of AMP by 2027. As the reception of cryptographic money keeps on developing, it's normal that it will end up being a huge player on the lookout. It's additionally prescribed to sell or purchase AMP at the ongoing cost level to build your benefit. Since additional individuals are exchanging it, they will have a high ground in the market AMP value examination. The AMP coin cost has seen different high points and low points over the course of the past couple of years. While the coin saw a slow decrease in the initial not many months after its send-off, it saw a consistent ascent in its worth till the second quarter of 2021. The AMP coin's cost bounced from $0 the principal 7-day stretch of January to around 7 cents by May 2021. From that point forward, the AMP coin's worth saw a sharp decay, falling to 39 cents inside the following couple of weeks. The coin lost around half of its worth from May 2021 to June 2021, preceding seeing a spike again in June. It arrived at an untouched high worth of 12 cents on June 16, 2021. Be that as it may, it before long crashed following half a month and was at 4 cents in the third 7-day stretch of July 2021. In the beyond 8 to 9 months, the coin has been going through a negative market. Specialists accept the coin could bounce back when the market recuperates from the ongoing auction. While the AMP coin is presently encountering a descending direction, specialists accept it can possibly see development. The coin appreciated non-stop increments all through 2021, responding decidedly to the market feelings. Thusly, we anticipate that this cryptographic money's worth should increment in the following couple of years. The expansion in market capitalization will likewise assist the AMP with begetting appreciate proceeded with development in the following 5 to 7 years. With the high unpredictability on the lookout, odds are the coin can see an enormous change soon. Financial backers ought to watch out for the crypto market patterns to know how the AMP coin's cost will respond.